I can't lose you, because if I did, I'd lose my best friend, my smile, my happiness, my everything. Truth is, I really need you by my side. You have helped me through so many tough times without even realizing it. Honestly, I'd be completely lost without you, and I can't even begin to imagine life without you. Your presence has been a constant source of strength and comfort for me, and I cherish the way you've been there through thick and thin. You are not just someone I care about. You are an integral part of my life, and losing you would leave a void that no one else could fill. You've been my confidant, my support system, and my partner in both laughter and tears. I want you to know how much you mean to me, and I am grateful for every moment we've shared. I value our connection, and I am committed to making sure you understand just how important you are to me. Let's continue this journey together, because without you, it wouldn't be the same. I love you more than words can convey, and I can't imagine a future that doesn't have you in it.